Okay, it's getting pretty crazy out here. If you can see this, I just shoveled again. Woo! It is blowing. Interesting though. I don't know if my camera can really capture this, but here, how about this? This is a blizzard in Chicago. There go the plows. And the road is actually not that bad because of all the blowing snow. But it's a lot to shovel. Alright, well that's going to be all for tonight. And I hope you guys are warm wherever you're at. Cool. Alright, we'll talk to you later. Okay, Rocco, how is it out there? You like that? I'll take that as a yeah.